Gusii.
Magorobenkia na ndo mwancho muririo Ndizi TV koro kwegena kwane unanogenderete kwegokia sokubate mirobirionsi yerit koriare roho ime ya Ndizi TV nabwo obwansu bwo mugusi cyaragire cinsa 10 cyabona magoroba cinga kingo kwariganya SMS amaya erionko manyuna nara yana kwariganire asenchera ere yobwenge nyorobuna sensemo ya Facebook nabo kugendera gotanyaro wetera Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube botanyaro wetera Ndizi TV News nabo igo ase website ito nabo ko yasoma cinsa emeronke na wetera www.ndizitv.net eryo togendre kusanga sobwamo. Retariane Evelino Sero ryo koine kiachibicha neryo gicha wikira sentre beneni gakoro kwa Sara Mumanyi go kwariganyo be ko gosanka na inchwe ko merero ngumanye aina kwariganira senchera ere yobwenge ama yechinsa ikomya sobwenge toko ya chaka bene kurwa se county ya Nyamira wase ensemo yobocheno se serikali ya county ya Nyamira yaberege kunengiwa ne committee yesenete etene tamangana yobocheno kuwatkana nobotumeki bweni bonaboigo obokoreri sensemeyo nakorengana n'abaseneta nigo baenekire buna korengana no roboti orure ase abisi yabo gusase mese yabo nigo rotari gochia nagosego sonana nobokoreri kwase serikali ya county ya Nyamira asibatero nanengana barachikogendera kunengia asowe mekigima eriyo komanya naki ensemeyo bochino serikali ya county ya Nyamira yaberege kubwatoka obokoreri bwabo.
You know, I've not seen such a situation in any of the counties that have appeared before us where the accounting officer is reneging from a report that has been presented. And on figures, you know, under his signature, he says he has paid 255, but he tells the committee a different story, that we have only paid 211. He says there is a contract on site. Then the chair of the board agrees with the auditor that there is no contract on site. It creates a very bad picture.
So let me Chair, before the glance at the first glance of this building that this is on 4th Monday, this cannot be 1 month. For some of us even who have constructed a cow shed, you cannot finish this one within 1 month. Why are you saying by July we should come and commission under the invitation of the area senator? Yet even looking at the inside, it is still far.
Thank you, sir. It's true we will not make it in the next 1 month. But when the extension was sought, that was adequate time when he came for it.
When was it the extension was done? When?
That is, let me refer. I think early in the year.
How much have you paid?
I think you have paid a tune of 250 to 11 million.
Who is the clerk in that county assembly?
11. Sorry, sir. There's a reason to that. I want to be sure.
No, when I'm asking, how long did you go on leave?
4 years.
4 years.
But clerk, you are here. You appeared before this committee
last year.
Yes.
And we dealt with your issue of resumption of office.
Yes.
So you again went to sleep?
No, I'm not going to sleep.
And you know these are questions that are current. We're asking you current questions.
Current issues, yes.
And I want to know, you know, when you appear before Senate and you carry a Bible, you swear to tell the truth. The good lady here is saying there is nobody on site.
No contract on site.
On site. Your report says
yes,
the contractor is on site.
And that was on Tuesday.
Yeah. So are you like
Ekiombe kia Rotary Club Kisii ekio kurwasorosa ya Rwakisii Central nigobono banyorire omuteneneri gose omurayo muyabu ekiombe kyo oyoracheko bara ase amatukare bosyogo kwana chinga kicho koena nariba gocha somurayo muya oyo aserieta Beatrice Nyamache nigo oyo kabeire omurayi ase ekiombe kyo Milka Sanga abeire gakwerera egati ebitamkire babeire bawakabune ekiombe asoko ene kiabuna abantu babere bagokonyeka ukwana chinga kie Milka bagoni gabere gakwerera buna babere bawetera imechando yechingencho au asebaganirie okobwaterana korwase abananchi ababwatani au eriyo gokonya abananchi anene abagendrete wetera amakongu yechingencho au no murobere betego kwariganirwa asomo buganyo yomo ime yomochi obosongo asobete kogoikiranwa nababwatani korwase chinsemo au anena sorogongo rwa Western naboigo county ya Kisumu.
With challenges and with the great opportunities to serve the communities, we have a lot to do. We have barely scratched the surface, and a lot can be done for our communities here in Kisii, Nyamira, and the neighboring counties. We have budgetary constraints, and that is why we need a big team to look at how we can get solutions for our communities. Our population is also growing, and problems come with it, so we are here to see what we can mitigate and where we can help. I'd also like to say something that Melinda Gates said about philanthropy. It's not about the money, it's about using the resources that we have and applying them to improve the world. In July 2023 to June 2024, we end our year on 30th of June. So last year, towards October, we partnered with a club called Rotary Club of Litchfield to do a water project in Emesa, Mongeti, which is in Bomachoge, Borabu, if I'm not wrong. We did a borehole and we did reticulation. So we did 3 water kiosks and ATMs and we gave them storage tanks. This is to say that 300 households are benefiting from the project. Kisii has a lot of rain, but we have a lot of wash flow. It's not collected, it's not harvested, it's not used later. So as soon as the rain ends, then the water stops and we have a water issue, we still have to go to the river. So MSA has had water issues for a long time and they are very happy. And we partnered with the county just to make sure that the children stay in school, they don't have to go to the river. In 2024 March, we were approached by our women rep, Honorable Donya Toto, to do a joint project with her. We went to the Kenya Women's Prison just down the road here to celebrate the women. It was International Women's Day and wanted to put a smile on their faces. So we partnered with other organizations and we introduced chess. We realized those in prison may have a lot of time on their hands and may have other issues or thoughts. So we thought of bringing chess to prisons to support them, and they can use it internationally when they leave prison. It is something they can do.
Umuraiwense Dr. William Samoei Ruto mokonyo yarigathi Gachagua gatia baraibandi kurwase serikali ya Kenya Kwanza nigo baikirana somo sangerekano bwa masabo yo mwaka asababwatani be dini y'abakorino oyo ariganiwa imeye county ya Nakuru kwana chinga kiecho Ruto nigabaga kwegerera getamkirense ya Kenya yabereke waka nena soko enekia omorembe egatia bakenya asa kambi mono guchasa bamenyi be county ya Nakuru asomo kya babeire bakubeka Ruto boigo nigabaga kurukubore ocyase abarayibonse nene korwase serikali ya Kenya Kwanza kwene kiabuna ngo bwatana bare na gokoregasi asobwama batari watana na abakenya ase ekirenga kyogoskia ense ya Kenya bose nabo igokoreta magendro imeyense.
This is truly a blessed country. This is truly a God-fearing nation. And we are truly a great people. Mimi nawauliza kwa unyenyekevu na kwa heshima kubwa, sisi wote tuliopata nafasi ya uongozi, jameni, ndugu zangu, marafiki zangu, tuungane, tushirikiane, tufanye kazi pamoja, tusitenganishe wananchi, tusiwabague, tuwaunganishe ndio Kenya iweze kusonga mbele. I am pleading with you, my fellow leaders. Let us work together for the unity of this great blessed nation.
Gukwana somo sangerekano yoboigo nigo mugavana we county ya Tharaka Nithi Muthomi Njuki abakagukwanire gurengana yobo bagibwechi pesa ase county kurengana no mubaro bw'abantu gose yemanyikaine buna 1 man 1 shilling 1 vote gose 1 kilometer asate babuna abakenya bonsi mbabwenerete koinyorwa kwewa obokoreri na boigo libagarisa inebu nereria bonde botayo ase engane yo ate baibwente kurigererwa ase oboimekegima irokoenekia buna kera omo Kenya obeirega kwenyorera libagana boigo amagendero asenchera erengaine Njuki boigo nigo agania siasa kobe kwensemo echiate babuna nigo chikoirania magega aba Kenya.
Hiyo maneno hata umesikia akisema ya 1 man 1 vote 1 shilling na ingine 1 kilometer, ni maneno ambayo iko na changamoto kubwa kwa sababu every county is not the same. Mimi niko county ya Tharaka Nithi. Last time hiyo proposal ilikuwa inaletwa Senate, tukiongea mambo ya Mount Kenya vile watabahitika kwa sababu ya 1 man 1 shilling ya Tharaka Nithi ilikuwa inashuka. Kwa hivyo wakati wa kupigania hiyo mimi nilikuwa napigania na watu wa Eastern ama kule Northeastern kwa sababu hapo ndio tunaguzwa. But with the wisdom of the leaders, it is possible to have a formula that can equalize everybody, ambaye inaweza tumika kuhakikisha Mkenya yote mdogo na mkubwa atafaidika kitumia hiyo formula. Si lazima tukue na moja ambaye itafinya wengine na inue wengine. As leadership, Your Excellency and your Deputy President, it is possible to have a formula through our parliament that can be able to balance everybody, ili kila Mkenya akuwa amefurahi, and that is our wish. Na tumetoka uchaguzi ya 2022 ambaye ni vizuri kusema kwamba tulikuwa tumetafuta hiyo serikali ya 2017 na shida sana, and I tell you haikumaliza muda kabla wengine sisi wa kaunti zingine tuingie msitu, either kwa kuogopea ama kwa kusukumwa. Na wakati naongea mambo ya msitu, ni msitu wa siasa, sio msitu ya ile ya maumau. Na saa hii vile tulisafuta hiyo serikali, Your Excellency President and the Deputy, jameni, sisi hatuwezi afford.
Tinga kiecho nigo egatia baraikorwase county yo ya Nakuru boigo bagania omorembe na boigo oburayo bya bwoko bwatrana erogoskia ense ya Kenya bosio nigo bagikeria chisege na boigo chingwana echitabwenereti ase egati ya barai asbaboria obogesa kukobe kwa ense mona bakenya bonsiko bwataniwa ase kirenga yo koreta amagendero na boigo goskia ense ya Kenya bosio.
Sisi hatutaki kuona watu ambao wanataka kuleta ugomvi katika hii serikali. Tunawaomba Your Excellency, sisi kama very young leaders ambao tumeingia hivi karibuni, tushikeni mkono mkiwa na deputy wako, mtuoneshe njia vile ambavyo tunaweza. Hatutaki kuona mkiwa na kukiwa na matusi yoyote ama kukiwa na matusi kama huko bunge.
Nimesema kwamba Kenya yetu ni Kenya moja na ni Kenya amani. Na tukija hapa Nakuru ni mji ambao ni kielelezo. Ati Nakuru kama hii iko na Mkenya ambaye ametoka Pwani, iko na Mkenya ambaye ametoka Western. Nakuru hii iko na mtu ametoka hata Turkana, Wakikuyu wako, Wakalenjini wako. Kwa hivyo jinsi kanisa inatuombea tuwiane tukiwa nchi moja, hata sisi wanasiasa tutashikana pamoja, tuitane na kauli hiyo moja, ati Kenya ni moja, rais ni mmoja na watu ni wamoja. Ombi hilo ndio tunatoka nalo hapa Nakuru, tukisema Wakorino wametuonesha njia hiyo moja ya Kenya moja. Na maombi haya yasiwe ni kwa mdomo tu, hata sisi viongozi wa kisiasa tukitoka hapa tuende na kauli hiyo moja kwa vitendo.
Attorney General Justin Muturi nigo aganirie abarai kubeka busio na gukwanira amangana yengencho ase ayarabe kago konya ense ya Kenya ase ogoswa busio gukwana imeye county ya Embu nigaburirie abarai boigo kwene keburango ikirania bare ali babete bakoria chira chinga kibaringe kwerigeria libaga ryogoswa ase abarai na mono kwene kya ubutumekyo buya bwenibo ero koreta magendero asa.
So we should go back to the more important discussion of accountability in leadership. That is, for me, it's more important how accountable we are in the management of the resources that we collect from the people and share, even among counties. How accountable are we? I think we should that's a conversation we should begin now in the country, so that kwa sababu huu ni wakati wa kufanya kazi, si wakati wa siasa. Tujiulize how accountable are we? Tuoche mambo zingine hizi mnafurisha.
Nekero engana yobagi wechpesa serikali chech county korengana numbaro bwabantegenderete koreta umbungso ase abakenya na begebirengerero au gusangwa nigo egatia barai kurwa serogongo rwa Mount Kenya bamwiroko bakomokonyi bumurai bwense Rigathi Gachagua ase ogosira engane yo nigo baterebuna ebuna ase ensemo yabo nigo bawanchira bubagi wechpesa korengana numubaro bwabantu ase chi county ase balire irayo chegotene na magega Gachagua asoko enekebuna engane yo yabeire kegwikiraniwa chinga kecho nigo baganira barai kurwa Orogonko rwa Mount Kenya koreta bamenyi borogonko rwamo na kobwatrana eriyo gosukia Orogonko rubosio asensemo ya magendero na baigo ense ya Kenya asobwagare.
We have said as Kenyan people we believe in one man one vote one shilling. Number two, we have said that we are behind our leader, our deputy president Rigathi Gachagua.
Before we catapult our vice president to the national unity, he must cultivate the national unity. Tukicha kubaliana anaenda at the national stage, pia hapa wakiwa na rais wanapigania nafasi ya umoja ya Wakenya.
We want to talk to our mbunge wa Kiharu, Mheshimiwa Dede Nyoro. We want to talk to Mheshimiwa Ishongwa. Nyinyi ni viongozi wetu, you are experienced leaders. Come here, bring the mountain together, then we speak about the unity of the country.
Na tunaambia hawa wangwana, hawa mnaona ni viongozi wa hapa Kieni. Amewaita hapa tumezungumzia kuhusu one man one vote one shilling na umoja wa Kieni, na sana pia tumezungumzia mambo ya Rigathi Gachagua.
Mwancho murire bana robati urukorwa Orogongo rwa Mount Kenya na rogotoreta umwerio bwa mayiyaye chinsa 10 asenchera ere yobenge kuri na mange tragendere go kwariganiria ayora chikonyora sobekiranuge koraga enseyemo na wigo chinsa 3 cha mugoroba yendera kubate mirobero yonsi ya Ndizi TV asensemo ya Facebook na bagotonyara wetera Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube otonyara wetera Ndizi TV News na bigase website ito na bakoya soma chinsa emeronko ebere na inye wetera www.ndizitv.net eriyo togenderere gusanga amankeri teriane Evelyn Sero urene kyachibichane ryogi chawe kera sencha bene nigakoro kwa Sara Mumanyi kukuganiria obori boro byana baigo emagoroba erentorere kurendo manchu muri toba sauskare murobero we misa Jumapili ngogochirore asegeka getariye getambe korubono.